Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to you too. Here is a complete disaster of my master and my kids' room. It took me a few hours to get all this done, but here it is, and I hope you guys like it. So here I'm going to show you that my son actually got the crackers and was eating them on top of our bed, and they're all over the bed. laundry in my closet. I'm actually gonna save it for tomorrow because it was just a lot. So my 2-year-old got into the toothpaste and he dumped a lot of it out right there. That's why it's like that. And of course the splashes on the mirror, it's from us. Find myself cleaning the walls and the cabinets, and I know it's because I have little kids, so they get things quite dirty. But the other day I was talking to my mom on the phone and she was reminding me that when we were little she used to always make us clean the walls, so now I know why it's always stuck with me. So there I vacuumed up some of the dust, and then I came in with this one, and then I also wiped it all down. Their closet is a complete disaster. They clean their room the way they think it's clean, and that's fine with me. At least they're trying. But I usually go in there once a week and I really like get in there, like deep clean it, and it definitely needed that. So yes, and also I had a lot of laundry, as you can tell by my closet, and then the pile of clothes I folded, and then all the clothes I'm about to wash. Sorry for the lighting here, guys. I usually always open up the blinds when I clean the room, and as you can tell, it's not that great. So maybe on the next video I'll just keep the blinds closed. Here comes my favorite part. Just kidding, guys. I hate doing laundry, and it's one of those things that I always tell myself that maybe I should do a load a day, but honestly that does not work out for me. I end up forgetting it, and then it smells, so I always leave it until it's like so much that I'm like, oh my god, why did I do that? So if you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give me a like, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Also, I appreciate you guys all so much. I am almost at 100, so thank you guys all. For whoever watches my video out there, I love you guys so much. Bye.